On days when there is not much time and we want a quick, healthy meal, this chana pulao comes to the rescue. You can make this easy one-pot recipe in no time with a can of chickpeas, basmati rice, some aromatics and spices. My kids love it and are happy when I send it in their lunchbox. We start with heating ghee or oil in a pan, add the whole spices, then saute them till you get the aroma. Add sliced onions. I have used yellow onions here. Now you want to saute the onions until they are golden brown. Then add the green chili and grated ginger. I have used a can of chickpeas here, but you can also soak the chickpeas overnight and boil them in a pressure cooker, then use them in this recipe. Then add in the rinsed basmati rice and spices, add the water, and then let it cook. Get it to a boil and then cover and cook it until all the water is soaked. This will take about 15 minutes. Then fluff the rice once it's cooked. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. It's also healthy-ish with the protein-rich chickpeas. Serve it with a side of cucumber salad and raita. It's a favorite dish. Hope you enjoy it and let us know in comments how you like it.